Hi, and welcome to the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Training. Congratulations on embarking on a month of resetting the nutrition of your body, giving yourself an upgrade for all of those aches and pains and allergies and things like these that you've been dealing with. You will feel so much better. I wanted to go through a little training so you know what to expect. Okay. Now, the first thing that you do as part of your training is um, the aminos. Now, these are those awesome protein, vegan protein, pre-digested, dehydrated, gets into your body in 23 minutes, 99% absorbable. Learn to love this because as soon as you take them, within 23 minutes, it's working in your body. And remember, protein is the building block of everything in your body, all the growth that happens, whether it's muscles or hair or skin or nails, your organs need it. Everything in your body needs protein. But you're going to get protein that is the highest grade of protein that you can get, and you're going to get it instantly. There's not going to be any waste. Your organs are not going to have to work hard to either use it or lose it. So, great. Now, this is 5 tablets. Take these one at a time with plenty of water. I take them one at a time and I try to do at least a 24-ounce glass of water. And then I make coffee. I put my hot water on. Um, Coffee's for my husband. The hot water is for my cacao drink that I have in the morning. It's a latte that's wonderful. I'll talk to you about that later. Um, and then I do my routine, which includes Bible reading and goal setting and just kind of reflecting on the day to begin. That's an important part of my routine, and it helps keep me grounded. So I keep that as my number one priority in the morning. Then we're going to go to your power shake. Now, for me, a couple hours later, this is like 8 o'clock in the morning, I would be ready for my power shake. So I first take the bottle that comes in your pack, the blender bottle, and fill it up 20 ounces of cold water. And then you use a third of a cup, a heaping third of a cup of the power shake, and you put it in your bottle, and then you shake, 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 and now you're done, ready to eat. You can do anything you want with it. That is what I do, and that's the simplest thing to do. Now, as you're having your shake, you're going to have 2 of your biomedics. This is critical because this is what's going to help your gut. It's a pre and a probiotic, so it's going to nourish and repair your gut. 80% of our immunity happens right there, and it's where all of the nutrients are absorbed and then farmed out to the rest of the body. So you can imagine if your gut is compromised, then you're not going to be getting the nutrients out of the food you're eating. You have to concentrate on keeping that gut in good health. Now, at the end of the day, so you do this first thing in the morning. This is your morning routine. And then you duplicate that routine for your lunch. Some people choose to do it at dinner, which is fine. Then you just flip flop your meal that you're eating, your lifestyle meal. You have it in the afternoon for lunch instead of at dinner. But we did it 2 of these, one in the morning, one in the afternoon for lunch. And then for dinner, we had a lifestyle meal. We chose to go vegan this month because we just wanted to rid ourselves of all animal products, kind of get that reset. But that is not necessary at all. You can include organic chicken, grass-fed beef in small portions, um, uh, farm-raised farm-raised chickens, grass-fed beef, farm or fresh salmon or fresh fish, um, wild caught, I guess is what they call it, wild caught. So, just make sure that what you're going to eat equals the quality of what you're going to take in your body this way. You don't want to compromise it that way. So, make sure that it's the best that you can do. Now, at the end of the day, 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of the apothecary. This is the tart cherry juice. This is going to help again with that inflammation, and it's also going to help your body produce natural melatonin, which is going to help you sleep. You're going to get that restful, regenerative sleep that your body so needs. And then when you wake up, you're going to feel refreshed and you're going to start that routine all over again. Now, the last 10 days of your ultimate lifestyle transformation, called ULT, um, is your cleanser. So this is to rid your body of parasites and anything else that has not been ridded of throughout the 30 days. So this is your last 10 days. So it's 10, 10, and then 10. You can kind of think about it that way. And that's it. That is the ULT. That's the 30-day. And about day 15, you're going to be saying, okay, what do I do next month? I want this to continue. I don't want to feel yucky anymore. I want to continue to feel good. What do I do? So in that case, we would suggest the Core 4. Now, the Core 4 is the 4 products that we talked about minus the cleanser. So that's not part of the Core 4. Core 4 are the Power Shake, the Biomedic, the aminos, and the apothecary. Those are our core products. And in that case, you are transitioning to 1 Power Shake a day and 2 meals. So you're kind of ready to enter into more eating and less of this. But you could also do a ULT again. I chose to do a ULT for 2 months in a row when I first started, so it's fine. Again, I didn't want it to end, so I wanted to continue to do it, and that's fine. You're giving your body so much nutrition that you don't need to worry about it. It's not like a detox like what you're thinking of, where it's subtracting all kinds of stuff from your body. This is subtraction by addition. So you're adding to the nutrition of your body. So that's the program. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I am your support person, and I am here to help you every step of the way. And have a great month.